I am Daniel from PolyPrinter. We're here at TCEA, and this is the PolyPrinter 229. We pride ourselves in our extrusion speed as well as our print speed. Our fastest extrusion speed and print speed would be at about 250 millimeters a second. Definitely a huge improvement based on other people. And here's a great part, is you don't get a huge drop in quality from printing at that fast speed. At that increased speed, you can print easily things like this. Highly detailed pieces at about 11 hours. That is at our art mode, that's at 0.1. Or the simple engine block, which on other printers could take about a week, 28 hours done. But from a reliability standpoint, we offer the best. When it comes to actual printer service and customer satisfaction, we pride ourselves in that. Absolutely love to make people happy, make people smile. Actually, you want to come by here? We can show you some cool prints we've done. This is actually a relatively cool one. This is a completely porous print. Using some slicer's trickery, we can input a solid model and then export a completely porous print. At every point, you're able to see light coming out through. This one's primarily used from a customer in Canada. They print, they actually used to CNC cut out a mold for coffee cups. Instead they use this thing. They pour it inside the mold, use a water pump that's stuck in through here, and take out all the water, take out the mold, and they have a solid thing. Before it cost them thousands of dollars, they came to us, we did all the trickeries, now it cost them a couple cents. Or it can be used for architects. What used to be a 2D model that they presented to investors can now be a solid 3D model that can take it apart floor by floor, show people exactly what your print is, what your model or idea is. Yeah, that's pretty much it. All right. They can come easily to polyprinter.com, call us. We always love talking to people, even if you have any issues with other printers or any other ideas that you want to try and come up with and come talk to us about. Always love to chat with people.
What's picture worthy about this one?
Yeah,
Speed?
actually, the kids